Hey guys, it's Elias. Welcome back to the channel. Now today, as you see on the title, we're going to be taking the ECU out of my Type R. Now by the time you see this, it's probably going to be a week or two since I filmed this, because I'm doing this before K-Tuner officially releases their tune. By now you already know that K-Tuner has released it and all that good stuff. So I'm going to show you real quick how to easily take out your ECU, the whole process this time. And because I'm sending it out today, and I have to take it out myself, so let's go and get started. So to start, all you gotta do is make sure you remove the battery first. We're gonna disconnect the battery by turning off the negative lead. That's a 10mm socket. Just loosen it up and pop it off. Boom. Done. That's the first step. So after you've made sure that the battery is disconnected, again, this is very important that you do that. So once that's done, just pop this off by little 4 tabs here, and just pop this cover up, get it out of the way. Then, very simple, there's 2 clips here. You lift the clips. One there. All the way like that. You see that? Comes right off. And then the bottom one. Just gonna get this out of the way. Let's just remove this first. There we go. Much easier. Boom! So now that we've removed these from the ECU, we have to take the ECU out. There are 4 screws, 2 there and 2 in here. The 2 here are very easy to get to, so I won't cover them yet. Let's take care of the more difficult ones. So I've already done it, but there's a clip right here, this clip right here, and this clips to a thing down there. All you gotta do is push this out and get it out of the way. Once you get that out of the way, you can fit in your 10mm ratchet to the 2 nuts right down here. It's gonna be a very tight fit, but it should work. It helps to have the thing in the right direction. There we go. Just back it away. Beautiful. Nice and easy. Once it's loose, go on to the next one. It's already loose. I'm just going to just take this off and use my hand to back it out. Actually, I should probably use my hand through here. Yep. It's a bit tight, but with a little bit of patience, it works out. And you don't have to remove anything else. I was going to remove this box, but it was more trouble than it was worth. There's one. There are only 2 screws holding this whole thing together. There's one right down there, that one, and there's this one right here, both 10mm. So let's take those off. I'll take this out of the way. There's two. And just lift up carefully. And there it is. Nice and easy. I'm leaving the bracket right there. So, all in all, the procedure is very simple. All you need is a 10mm ratchet. You unplug the battery terminal by loosening that 10mm nut. You unplug the ECU. This is plug 1, this is plug 2. And then you simply remove, there's a bolt down there and a bolt up here. Take those off. The bracket gets loose. You loosen up the bolt on these nuts on here. Take the bolt off here, and the ECU is free. The whole procedure took about 10 minutes. Very easy to do and very easy to put back together. So as you saw there, very easy to do. Took about 10 minutes to do the whole procedure. There's really not much to it. So if you have any questions, as always, put it down below. I'm happy to help you guys out. I just wanted to do this video for you guys since I got a lot of questions and how to remove the ECU. So there you go, guys. Very easy process. As always, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out.